Hello guys, welcome back to Template Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful business flyer design poster like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, we have to change the layout here to blank. And from there, move on to the Insert tab and go and customize the Design tab rather. And go and customize the slide size. So I'm choosing A4 here. And then because it's going to be a poster, I will choose on Portrait and click on OK and finally click on Maximize. Alright, so now I want us to go back to the Insert tab. Go and go to Shifts and we are going to insert an oval shape. So I'll draw my oval shape here. So I'll increase here also. So I think this way is not looking bad. So if this way is not looking bad, then I will just remove the outline. And from there, I'll right click on this shape and go and click on Format Shape. So the properties will appear at the right side of my screen here. So I'll come and click on the fill here and I'll click on Picture or Texture Fill because I want to insert a picture there. So when you click on it, this is the default one that you see. So just come and click on the Insert button. So the picture is already in my device, so I'll click on From a File. And then I'll double click on this picture to insert it. Alright, so you see the picture has been inserted. But if you look at this slide here, you can see how it looks like. Meaning that it is overlapping. Or let me even just say, this side is not appearing on our poster here. So to make sure I will push this one to this side, I'll simply scroll to the bottom of the properties of it, the sheet. So from there, under the field, you see, under the field drop down, you see something like offset top. So just give it something like 47 or 46 or 45, depending on your own. So you see, when I give it 47, you can see what happens. Means I have to reduce it. So I have to reduce it to 9. Alright, I think it's not looking bad. So from there to the left or or to the right, it's from the right side. So I'm just going to try with 22. Okay, the 22 is not looking bad, so I'll leave it as it is. So now I want us to right click on this shape and go and click on Format Background because we are going to change the background color. So you see, the default one is already solid fill. So I'm just going to change the color here to this one. So now I want us to go back to the Insert tab, go to the text box because we are going to insert the text box here. So the first text box I'm going to insert here will be business recaps, business flyer design. So I'll select it for, and the font I'll choose area rounded, and the size I'll try 32. With the color one, I'll choose all as white, and I'll then take only the flyer only, and I'll change it to this color right here. So I'll increase here and zoom in here a little. Alright, so now I want us to go back to the Insert tab and go to Shifts. We are going to insert a rounded rectangle, which is right here. So I'll just select it and draw it this way. So I'll remove the outline, and with the shape fill, I'll choose this color right here. So I'll make sure I'll increase here and rotate it. Alright, so I think I will stop there. I'm just going to reduce this one a little and make another copy here. But with this one, I'll increase this one a little deeper. But I'll change the color of that one. I won't leave it as it is. So I'll come back to the field here and I'll choose this color right here. Alright, so I'll just take this one and make another copy to this side. So with this one, the shape fill, I'll choose this color right here. So I'll just make another copy here. And with that color, I'll choose this color. I'll make another copy here. And with the color, I'll choose this one. And lastly, I'll make another copy here. And with the color, I'll choose this one right here. Alright, so now I'll take this one again and I'll make another copy here. So I'm just pressing and holding the Ctrl key. So if you're wondering how am I making the copy fast, I'll just select it this way and I'll press and hold the Ctrl key and drag to make a copy. So let's try it. So here, inside here of this text, we'll have something like headlines. It should be in caps. So you have to bring your headlines here. So the font, I'll customize it. I'll choose Arial Black, and with the size, I'll go with 28. So I'll make another copy here. But with this one, the size should be 14. So you can bring your sub headlines here. So let me just bring sub headlines here. So under here, so if you have a small paragraph, you can place it inside here. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to randomly generate a small paragraph here. So I'll look for one paragraph of 2 lines. So here I'll come and choose semi-bold, the font, the size, I'll go with 16. Alright, so I'm not done there. I'm just going to make another copy here. And with this one, I'm just going to change it to professional and quality product is assured. So the font will be Edward script, and with the size, I'll go with 20. So all should be aligned at the center. Alright, so now I'll just go back to the insert tab, pictures, and I'll click on a rectangle shape. So I'll draw a rectangle shape here. So I'll first of all remove the outline, and the shape fill, I'll choose white. So I'll make sure this one reaches here. So I'm not stopping there, I'm going back to the insert tab, and I'll go with shapes. So I'll come and draw an oval shape here, and I'll remove the outline, and the shape fill will be white. So just make another copy here. So here, I'm just going to take this one and make another copy inside in it. So with the color of the text, I'm changing it to this color. So the text will be grow your business with us. So I'll bring it a little. So I'm just making sure that the spacing here will not affect each other. Alright, so I'm just going to make another copy here. So let's change the color to black. And the size, I'll try with 14. So I'll change the text to contact us. So I'll just put in something like this as the contact detail. So I'll come and change this one to semi-condensed. So here it will be located. So with the location, I'm just going to type in something that I myself don't even know whether it's an address or not. But I guess it's impossible to be an address. To have anywhere city, any street, so I have 112. So I'm just going to make another text, another copy here. So here will be follow as. So if you have social media handles, so you can place it here. So the first one, I'll go with T. So T will be for Twitter. And also I have Instagram, I for Instagram. And lastly, F for Facebook. So all of it will be aligned at the left. So I'll take from the T side and the color, I'll just change only that one to the blue here. So I'll change this also to the blue. And lastly, this one also will take the color blue. Alright, so I'm zooming out. So now, as you can see, our poster looks nice and clean. Thank you so much for watching and see you later in my next video.